One answer in English, sir. How do you see your house in Nainital has been vandalized? We have seen your post. What is the incident?
I said in my post, my door is open, come and talk to me. I said it here when they came outside this building. I said, please come here and talk to me. The police were worried that this should not happen. I've said it everywhere, my door is open. Why do you need to come and leave your signature on my door with fire? Why? Come and talk to me. Let's have a cup of tea together. Maybe I will change, maybe you will change. But conversation and dialogue is the basis of our life together. Neither you will go anywhere nor I will go anywhere. We have to live as neighbors. We have to live as neighbors. And what did I say? I said people who do such things do not belong to the Hindu religion. Hindu religion is a beautiful religion. Hindu religion has given this country a fantastic culture. Let us celebrate that religion, I've said. Not this. And therefore, I believe that today the attack is not on me. The attack is on Hindu religion. And I will stand and protect it. Whatever it takes, I will stand and protect it.
Last question. Are you worried now?
Am I looking worried? Am I looking worried? Why should I get worried? I wanted this debate to happen. People were timorous and scared. They didn't want a discussion on this. They were calculating things. And I thought, I'd hoped that the media will support me in this debate. But the media was more interested in propagating what the other people were doing. And they were asking me, give us instances of what wrong they have done. And I said, no, I have the instances, but I don't want to repeat them because that will bring a divide. Today, I couldn't give the instances, they've given the instance. So, what to do? What to do? But I still think that we need a conversation. We need to come together. This country cannot suffer this kind of divide, particularly in the name of religion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.